All right, good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, another cool day here in St. Pete. Must be about 68 degrees. And today's the day we're getting our AC done today. Been meaning to do this probably for about 2 years now, and really our AC unit's been kind of on its last breath, so to speak. This is the unit here that came with the house. It's probably easily about 15 years old. I think they said it's maybe a 10 SEER, maybe a 9 SEER. But again, we've been having some issues with it over the last at least 12 months now. Just kind of breathing new life, getting it cleaned up every month, dropping some little tablets in it. So anyways, today's the day. We're getting some new AC. Yeah, what's been going on inside here in the handler, so just about every day that we run it, again, condensation's been building up down here at the bottom where the coils are at underneath there. I took a couple pictures and pretty much just been kind of dripping. We have a pan that's down there to catch the water, but that was kind of our first sign here this year that, again, it was time. You'd hear the drip. Check the coils, they're really in bad shape. And you know what, it's a good time to do it. The weather's, nice and cool this week. They were able to get us in here in like 1 day, and they said it's a 2-man job, get it done in 8 hours. So today's the day. Hope you guys enjoy the video. We're gonna see what this looks like here and share the progress with you today.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
All right, guys. Well, the AC guys just finished, so we thought we'd give you a quick little tour here of how it came along, what the completed project looks like, and this is it. We've got a 3-ton Amana AC unit. SEER rating is going to be a 15 on that 3-ton, based on the square foot of the house, 1550, 1,500 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Man, I was really surprised at the size of the unit. It was probably a quarter bigger than our old unit. So, but anyways, energy efficient. It's a SEER 15, and again, asked them to raise it up on blocks here, just so we can keep the ground clean, especially because we got a couple oak trees, so it likes to drop leaves in the spring and fall. So that way, keep it clean and clear, let the grass grow. And also when it rains up there, sometimes again, rain just comes off the roof there and will sit in the AC unit. So keeps it nice and clean and debris free. We can grow some grass and do some foliage or plants around there, which will keep it real nice. But that is it on the outside. That's the blower, and I think it's a condenser that's out there. We're gonna go inside, check out the handler, and see what we got. Oh yeah, man, let's see what we got. All right, so here we are. We're on the inside of the house, and this is it. Here's the handler. Take a look, they just finished. Again, brand new unit there. It's all sealed. Again, they spent time doing that, making sure all the, again, the wiring and piping, again, copper lines were all tucked away nice and hidden. But again, everything's done real nice. Got a drip pan on the bottom there, along with a brand new pump. Got a regular size filter, which is great. Our old AC unit had some odd size with 20 by 20. And we got a T-bone here, again, easy to, again, clean out the pump there, again, with that the T-line. So, looks pretty rock solid. With that, we also got a UV light that's also installed there too, which is a nice little feature. Again, kills bacteria, again, within the coils and also within the blower itself. So that's inside there, good to go. And then last but not least here, they went ahead and installed the Nest here for us too. Again, some smart products here for our home, because, you know, we got the Alexa, we got the Echo, what have you, and again, hooking up with the Ring, hooking up with the Alexa, hooking up with the Blink, so that way we can always monitor. Again, got the smart thermostat. So that is it, and we got it done. It's feeling cool. You can see here, temperature set to 72 here. Right now the house is at an even 75. We're getting down to 72, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, stay cool, stay at home, and we'll catch you next time.